Mga kababayan, sa lahat ng nanonood mula sa Manila hanggang Middle East, US, Canada at iba pang parte ng mundo. Ako si Lan ng hashtag Walk with Lan, your go-to Pinoy politics na may halong tawa at totoong usapan. Kapapasok lang ng balita nagkatensyon sa dahig dahil lang sa walang iba kundi humbla. Wait lang. Ayun po, no? Nagka-issue po dyan sa dahig dahil po sa humba. Yes, you heard that right? Race sport na naging dahilan ng away ng birthday party ni Alvin involving attorney Harry Roque and DDS supporters. Grabe ha? Parang comedy skit. Pero totoo. Pero deeper to link sa ongoing ICC case ni ex-president Duterte sa drug war. At bukas Blue Ribbon Committee, ngayon po yan. At po ba ngayon? Martes na po ba ngayon? Bukas po, no? Bukas. No? Blue Ribbon Committee na po, ready na sa investigasyon sa flood control corruption. Pero para sa kabataan at OFWs, ito'y tungkol sa how corruption eats our remittances and future jobs. Imagine sa Dahig, yung lugar ng ICC, nagluto ng humba para sa party, tapos biglang away. Si Roque defending himself. I was blasphemed Habang yung iba, para sa lahat yan, parang Pinoy family reunion gone wrong But seriously, bakit nasa Dahig si Roque? Connected sa Duterte's ICC trial ba? At ang Blue Ribbon, sisiyasat sa kickbacks sa flood projects na dahilan ng baha sa Pinas? Remember, Typhoon Karina? Before we dive deep, like, subscribe, hit that bell mga kaibigan at mag-comment ano ang tingin mo sa issue na ito. Share sa friends mo abroad At if you're feeling generous, send super thanks para makabili ako ng humba without drama. Let's work this together for a couple of minutes of real talk mga kaibigan. Ngayon let's break it down. No? Talagang may facts tayo, may satire at why this matters to you. Young Pinoys and OFWs. Yan. Mga kawok, simulan natin sa viral na humba war sa Dahig, the Netherlands. Last August 16, simpleng birthday ni Alvin na uwi sa gulo. Isang babae nagtatalak dahil si Aldo daw binaboy sila sa post niya. Sumingit si Harry Roque. This is my appeal. Some things are right, some things are wrong. You need to take a stand against wrong. No? Tapos nainis siya kasi siya pala ang tinutukoy, no? Siya pala ang tinutukoy habang kumakain ng humba sa sponsor nila. Sabi niya, can I pay the whole humba? Pero pinigilan para sa lahat yan from the sponsor. Even si Alvin, the celebrant, nakisagutan, no? Roque added, ako ang binastos. Magkano ang humba na yan? Parang meme, di ba? Walang yan. Pinoy's abroad fighting over ulam while the world watches ICC trials, no? Pro-Roque side says he's standing against blind loyalty, no? Anti says he's dramatic. Isipin mo, OFW sa UAE or Saudi, nagparty kayo, tapos away dahil politics. This shows DDS divisions, loyalty to Duterte cracking. Why there, Roque is in the Hague, likely for Duterte's defense, no? Youth, no? This is why politics divides families. Time to think critically, hindi sunod-sunuran lang. Ngayon, deeper sa The Hague, no? Bakit may Pinoy drama doon, no? Dahil sa ICC case ni ex-President Duterte, no? Arrested March 2025 for murder charges sa drug war, thousands killed, no? Detained pa rin siya sa The Hague as of now. In June, sought interim release to undisclosed country due to age 80. 80 years old na po ang dating Pangulong Duterte. Humanitarian reasons, his lawyer says no flight risk. Wala na raw influence. No release. Sabi ng lawyer nila, interestingly, elected pa siya sa Davao Mayor in May 2025 at landslide win yan, mga kaibigan. Okay, effective ang drug war ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Reduce crime. Data shows drop in drug users, extrajudicial killings, violated rights, affected poor families. Parang teleserye ito mga kaibigan. Duterte from Malacanang, to jail cell now, no? Tapos now, mayor ulit. For youth, imagine your tito killed in Nanlaban, no justice. For OFWs, remittances go to families shattered by drug war, no? ICC shows global accountability, but Pinas government refuses cooperation. Kabataan, don't idolize strong men. Learn from history. Supporters rally, but victims seek justice. Rising political divide, no? Kung humba lang ang away, paano pa sa drug war? Okay. Okay, bukas sa August 19, sisimulan ng Blue Ribbon Committee ang investigasyon sa flood control corruption, no? Led by Senator Rodante Marcoleta, triggered by anomalous procurement bribes, no? Kickbacks leading to substandard projects na dahilan ng baha, no? Official profit, budgets depleted, communities flooded, contractors to reveal under the table payments, no? Whistleblowers with evidence like photos, no? Ito, si Marcoleta, hold accountable those profiting from public funds. Focus on COA flag projects. Okay. O pro-government, some pro-government naman tayo, no? Some projects work, okay? Wasted billions. Remember, SONA ni PBBM criticizing floods. Kickbacks bigger than the levies, no? Parang money heist, pero sa DPWH. For Gen Z, mga kaibigan, imagine jobless kayo, cost no infra investment. For OFWs in Australia or Japan, your remittances build homes na binabaha, no? Corruption cycles, bribes, poor quality, more floods, more funding. Blue Ribbon must be fair, not political circus. Affects climate vulnerable Pinas. Humba tension shows DDS cracks amid ICC. Blue Ribbon probes current corruption, no? Drug war scarred us. Floods destroy futures. Need labor rights. Better jobs. OFWs in UAE, Hong Kong, yung sa Saudi naman po, your hard-earned money, wasted, no? Sa abroad, walang baha. Pero sa Pinas, bahaan ng korupsyon. Kwento ng OFWs na nawalan ng isang bahay sa baha. O youth activists, red tag, no? Both admins have faults. Duterte's violence versus Marcos infra fails. Call for youth vote in 2028. Okay. From Humba to Hague, politics is a feast of drama. Compared to Itbulaga, segments, examine narratives, don't believe blindly. Okay, mga kaibigan, to summarize, tension sa The Hague sa Humba ni Roque. Link to Duterte, ICC, detention, at ongoing trial, no? Blue Ribbon, bukas na yan, mga kaibigan. Sisiya sa atin sa flood corruption. Time for accountability, mga kaibigan. Para sa kabataan at OFW sa US, Canada, UK, Italy, UAE, at iba ba? Fight for better Pilipinas. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts, pa-share sa groups, Send super thanks para sa more content, especially sa abroad, for higher ad revenue. Walk with Lan para sa totoong usapan. Salamat. See you next week, mga kaibigan.